Hello everyone and welcome to class of guidelines for an EMF aware 5G planning. So we have some guidelines modeling of 5G radio access technology. So 5G will be characterized by a set of radically new technologies like we have large antenna MIMO arrays to increase the system capacity. Beamforming technique is there to concentrate the radiated power into a smaller portion of a territory, and we have adaptation of wave, that means new frequency bands. So next is computation of the EMF fields. One of the most disruptive innovation which is introduced by 5G at a physical layer is the utilization of wave spectrum. The wave propagation has specific, like it increased the sensitivity to blockage and atmospheric effects. As a result, the terrain morphology in terms of buildings and obstacles, it will introduce sharper variations in the EMF fields. Then we have integration of current and future EMF limits. Currently, the EMF limits vary across the different countries, and in many cases, they depend only on the type of the buildings in the considered area, that means residential or commercial buildings. As a result, the planning has to integrate suitable limits by considering the most recent laws regulating the EMFs in the country. Next is modeling of the set of the candidate sites. As effective EMF-aware 5G planning has to select a set of sites where to install base station from a set of candidates on. The set of initial candidate sites plays a crucial role in determining the effectiveness of a planning. Next is modeling of 5G traffic demands and quality of service. One of the most important aspects in planning phase is the proper estimation of the traffic demands, which has an impact on set of installed sites as well as their dimensioning. So two important features that emerge in 4G and expected to also dominate 5G loads are the spatial, that means for example between different urban areas, and temporal fluctuations that characterize this service demand. In this context, suitable models which are able to characterize the nature of 5G traffic need to be designed and incorporated in the planning. This modeling should provide indication about the demands in residential, business, entertainment, tourist areas, weekdays, weekends, night hours, working hours, etc. The modeling may be initially focused on 4G services that are clear forerunners of the classes which are expected to dominate 5G traffic, such as enhanced mobile broadband and ultra reliable low latency communications. Then we have validation of realistic scenarios. Demonstrated the design network planning in the real world scenarios is a mandatory step. Apart from considering realistic settings for the set of candidate sites, their configuration, the 5G demands, the EMF limits, and expected quality of service, as well as other fundamental aspect is the consideration of all the sources which radiate power over the area. These are the guidelines. Thank you.